Hi fellow YouTubers, and thanks very much for coming back to view my improved video for the Carver TFM-55 magnetic field power amplifier. This is a improved video over my earlier video that's still out there on YouTube. You could view that one if you like. That's a quick video. This one's more in-depth and a much clearer picture for you to view. So thanks for coming back. TFM-55. This amplifier was introduced in the late 1980s through the early 1990s. I bought it in 1992 brand new. I'm the original owner and I still have it. I had it in storage for a while, a couple of years, and I had just taken it back out. I play around with different amplifiers and now we're back with the Carver TFM-55. The TFM series of amplifiers, or a series of amplifiers, solid-state amplifiers that Carver designed actually to replicate his tube amplifiers. So that's what TFM stands for, transfer function modified, to closely match his sonic signature of his ultra high-end Silver 7 tube reference amplifiers. Very expensive amplifiers and very highly acclaimed. So these TFM series amps do closely match that tube sound of his Silver 7s, which sometimes you can find on eBay still, and they're very expensive even used. So these TFMs sound pretty tube-like. This TFM-55, which is mine right here, was the second from the top of the line. The top of the line was the TFM-75, which is a very rare model. If you could find one, I would grab one. Mine was the second from the top of the line. I paid about $1,000 for it, and that was in 1992. So it's 380 watts per channel into 8 ohms, 500 into 4 ohms. It's a lightweight amplifier. It only weighs about 25 pounds. And the other unique feature about this amp is that it uses a magnetic field power supply. And what that is it uses a compact transformer that acts like a coil. I think it's called like a Class H design actually. So the transformer acts as a coil, and as it draws current from your plug socket in your house, it stores some of that energy into the transformer itself, and thereby utilizing very small filter capacitors. So it makes it a compact design, and it uses, I think, 3 power rails. So at different peak musical demands, it'll draw the energy on different rails from what's stored in that power transformer. So that's what basically what magnetic field power supply is. So the amplifier sounds warm, like a tube amp. It's got a lot of deep bass, and it's dynamic. It's a dynamic sounding amplifier. It has a pretty good sound stage. All amplifiers sound different, and that's what makes them unique. And this one sounds pretty good. I bought it to match this C16 preamp, which I bought probably about a year before that, and I've always held on to these through all the pieces I've ever had, swapping and selling and buying and trading. I've always held on to these Carvers. So there's a better view for you. If you like, we could get closer in on those meters. And thanks for coming back to look at this improved video. And maybe in a future video we could take the cover off the Carver TFM-55 to see what makes it tick. Take a look at that power supply and all the power output transistors that they assembled on there for each channel. It's quite a number of them. And once again, thanks for coming by to view, and we'll look forward to seeing you again on another video.